Stick a CF7813 on the cable. Align LCD and flex cable under microscope. This mini bonding machine. It's thermostatic, non-flipping cable, bonded LCD and cable. There's a clamshell design to make the standard position. The model number is N50C. Put this screen, put it on the platform, and lower the flip cover. The position of the flip cover is parallel to the inside of the blade. Find its standard position, then it's done. Here's another magnet. The machine has no vacuum. The magnet holds it. Put the magnet on. You can fix the screen. Adjust the screen position. Okay. Look at the flip cover. Is level with the cable. Take the flip off. Just press the start button. Add silicone. Just press it. Don't apply too much pressure. About 140. Press it down. Test it. Test OK.